Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.
Do you sometimes feel that God is not satisfied with you? Minsan, when we look at ourselves, we feel inadequate. Lord, am I pleasing you? Am I doing the right thing? Don't feel condemned nor guilty. Tandaan mo that God has already made you righteous in Christ Jesus. At hindi yan tungkol sa sarili mo o sa nagawa mo, but it's all about Jesus and what He has done on the cross. God is not measuring you based on what you have or what you have done. He is assessing you based on what Jesus had done and based on what Jesus did for you. Is God satisfied with Jesus? Definitely yes. Kaya naman, paniwalaan mo kaagapay that God is likewise satisfied with you. This is Claire Pineda giving you another encouraging message. Stay tuned for more of Motivation Minutes, only here on 702 DZAS FEBC Radio TV.
Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.